us about your trip to America, Hans.
Yeah. What did you saw there? Quiet, children.
What I saw in America? Well, first the boat sailed into the harbor to the dock where the passengers got off from. Hans! Willy! Aunt Frieda sends by you a present, a Bavarian cheese.
Bavarian cheese?
It's good, no?
It's good, yes.
My, this America, it's such a busy place.
You ought to see it in the rush hour. Hey, be careful. You're in a big town now.
Dankeschön. All those automobiles, so many rich peoples.
They're not all rich. Most of them are just working guys.
Working guys? With all those new automobiles?
They're not all new. Some of them are a few years old. Well, here we are, Hans. My home.
You live here?
I find it convenient. Be my guest.
What conveniences they have here. You all understand the mass consumption and mass production?